In the last 2 years, the world has been flooded with new AI tools. Everyone talks about ChatGPT, Midjourney, Gemini, and Claude. But here's the truth. Those are not the tools giving people the real competitive advantage. Behind the scenes, there's a new wave of AI tools reshaping productivity, business, creativity, research, and automation tools that most people don't even know exist. Today, we are diving into 7 AI tools people don't talk about, but absolutely should. Because if you learn how to use even 1 or 2 of these, you'll move faster, learn faster, and create faster than 90% of the world. Stay with me till the end, because the final tool is a massive cheat code for anyone creating content or running a business in 2025 and beyond. Tool number 1, Gamma AI. Let's start with a tool that feels almost magical if you create content, teach, pitch ideas, or present information regularly. It's called Gamma AI. Most people still waste hours designing slides, structuring presentations, rewriting points, adjusting layouts, and trying to make things look visually clean. Gamma removes that entirely. Here's how it works. You give it a simple prompt like, and Gamma instantly generates a complete deck. Sections, headers, bullet points, visuals, formatting everything. But this isn't just a slide maker. Gamma can also create documents, reports, portfolios, sales pages, tutorials, onboarding guides, and visual storyboards using the same AI engine. It's like having a full design team and a content strategist sitting inside your laptop. Why this tool matters? It saves creators and educators hours, beautiful output without needing Canva or PowerPoint, perfect for YouTubers writing structured content, perfect for businesses making client presentations. Gamma is one of those tools that doesn't go viral often, but the people who use it become extremely productive. Tool number 2, Perplexity AI. Next is a tool that some experts say will eventually challenge Google itself. It's called Perplexity AI, and it's quietly becoming the smartest research tool on the internet. Unlike traditional search engines, Perplexity doesn't give you a list of links. It gives you answers, backed with sources, and summarized with clarity. If you're a YouTuber, student, business owner, or researcher, this tool is like adding rocket fuel to your workflow. For example, let us say you want to research how AI will affect remote work in the next 5 years. Perplexity scans academic papers, news sources, white papers, and expert discussions, then compiles the answer into a clean, structured summary. It even highlights conflicting viewpoints and provides direct citations. This level of clarity is something even ChatGPT doesn't always offer, because ChatGPT doesn't browse the internet by default. Why this tool matters? No misinformation, it provides live sources. Faster than Google for deep research, essential for accurate AI videos, perfect for fact-checking and staying updated. Perplexity is the tool professionals use quietly to out-research everyone else. Tool number 3, ElevenLabs. If you run a faceless YouTube channel, or you want to, you need to know about ElevenLabs. This tool generates some of the most realistic AI voices available today. Natural pacing, natural breath patterns, human-like tone, and emphasis. In fact, many faceless channels on YouTube that sound like professional narrators are actually using ElevenLabs. But what makes ElevenLabs special isn't just the voice quality. It's the consistency, the emotional control, the clarity, the ability to sound like anything from a calm storyteller to a cinematic narrator to a business expert. You simply paste your script, choose a voice, and the AI generates a clean, broadcast quality narration. Why this tool matters? Perfect for faceless channels, sounds better than most human narrators, saves hundreds of dollars in VO costs, works with long videos, audiobooks, courses, and podcasts. If you've ever hesitated to start a channel because you didn't like your voice, ElevenLabs solves that instantly. Tool number 4, Pictory AI. Pictory is one of the most powerful tools for creators who want to produce videos fast, especially faceless videos. With Pictory, you paste your script and the AI automatically generates a full video timeline. It selects relevant clips, adds captions, includes transitions, and syncs everything with your narration. You can rearrange scenes, replace footage, adjust colors, add music, and export in HD, all without needing editing skills. For creators who want speed over complexity, Pictory is a game changer. Why this tool matters? You can make a full YouTube video in under 30 minutes. No editing experience needed. Perfect for list videos, tutorials, explainers, AI content. Can generate long videos and shorts. This is the tool that allows solo creators to produce content at the speed of entire media teams. Tool number 5. Opus Clip. Opus Clip is built for one purpose: turning long videos into short, viral, high-retention clips. If you upload a 10-minute video, Opus Clip automatically finds the most engaging sections, cuts them into vertical shorts, adds captions, highlights keywords, adds jump cuts, and packages everything for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Creators who use this tool grow much faster because Shorts bring massive discovery to new channels. Why this tool matters: Shorts' huge reach, fastest way to grow a new channel, saves hours of manual editing. AI finds viral moments better than humans. If you're not using Shorts yet, Opus Clip makes it effortless. Tool number 6. Notion AI. Notion AI is one of the most underrated tools for creators. While everyone else uses Notion for note-taking, the AI engine inside it is extremely powerful. You can use Notion AI to generate content calendars, organize scripts, rewrite or reformat ideas, summarize long research, create video outlines, build workflows and systems. If you're running a YouTube channel alone, Notion AI can act as your digital manager, keeping everything structured, organized, and crystal clear. Why this tool matters: eliminates mental clutter, helps you stay consistent, makes planning stress-free, perfect for managing multiple videos. Most creators struggle not with content but with organization. This tool fixes that completely. Tool number 7. Runway ML. And finally, Runway ML, a tool most people still underestimate, even though it's one of the most advanced AI video tools in the world. Runway ML can remove backgrounds instantly, replace environments, generate new video scenes, remove objects, enhance footage, add cinematic effects, create AI-generated video from text. If you've ever seen a viral video where something impossible happens, chances are Runway was involved. For faceless creators, Runway provides tools that used to require Hollywood-level editing software. Why this tool matters: makes your videos look professional, cuts editing time dramatically, unlocks creative effects you can't do manually, perfect for standout visuals in the AI niche. This tool is a complete upgrade to your visual production quality. These 7 tools 1T trend on social media every day, but the people who use them quietly become the fastest, most efficient, and most productive creators and professionals in the world. If you found a new tool today, hit subscribe because more game-changing AI tools drop every single week, and I'll help you stay ahead of the world.